A beacon of courage and wisdom in the face of adversity. Seneca, welcome, dear friends, to a profound exploration of the teachings of Seneca, the Stoic philosopher whose wisdom continues to resonate with us even in the modern world. Today we embark on a journey through the depths of his insights and delve into the essence of his timeless quote, "Courage is not absent in difficulties, but rather in the lack of audacity to face them." Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a vast, uncharted wilderness. The path ahead is shrouded in uncertainty, and fear begins to creep into your mind. It is in moments like these that Seneca's words echo through the ages, reminding us that courage is not the absence of fear, but the audacity to act in spite of it. How often do we find ourselves presented with opportunities that seem daunting, that lie outside the boundaries of our comfort zone? It is precisely in these moments that we must summon the courage to question our own limitations. For it is through audacity that we break free from the shackles of fear and embark on a journey of personal growth. In our daily lives, we encounter numerous challenges and obstacles that test our resolve. It is easy to be overwhelmed by the magnitude of these difficulties, to feel paralyzed by fear and uncertainty. However, Seneca teaches us that it is precisely in these moments that we must find the audacity to confront our fears head-on. As we dare to confront our difficulties, we discover an inner strength we never knew existed. We realize that the challenges we face are not insurmountable barriers, but stepping stones towards our own transformation. It is through courage that we turn adversity into opportunity and setbacks into stepping stones. But how do we cultivate this audacity, this courage to face our difficulties? It begins with a shift in mindset. We must embrace the belief that we are capable of overcoming any obstacle that comes our way. We must reject the notion that difficulties are meant to defeat us, and instead see them as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Seneca reminds us that it is not the difficulties themselves that make us hesitate, but rather our own lack of audacity. It is our fear of failure, our fear of the unknown, that holds us back. But when we choose to be audacious, to face our challenges head-on, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. Courage and audacity are not reserved for the select few. They are qualities that reside within each and every one of us. They are like dormant seeds waiting to be nurtured and cultivated. It is up to us to water these seeds, to embrace the audacity to face our difficulties, and watch as they blossom into a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. As we delve deeper into the teachings of Seneca, let us remember that courage is not a distant ideal, but a flame that burns within us. It is a flame waiting to be ignited, waiting for us to embrace the audacity to face our difficulties and emerge stronger than ever before. So, my friends, let us embark on this transformative journey together. Let us embrace the audacity to face our difficulties, for it is through this audacity that we unlock our true potential and create a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Seneca's wisdom. May his teachings continue to inspire and guide us as we navigate the challenges of life with courage and audacity. Together, let us be beacons of courage and wisdom in the face of adversity.